So do you remember riding your local boomerang at your local park when it was a hypercoaster? Didn't know the Vekoma Boomerang could turn into a hypercoaster. Either way, we'll still see if it's a Vekoma Boomerang or a hypercoaster. The odds are that if you go to an amusement park, that they will usually have a Vekoma Boomerang. Vekoma Boomerang is such a widely cloned roller coaster that pretty much is found at most of your local parks, it seems. This particular model, though, was called Boomerang. It was at Knott's Farm in Buena Park, California. This pretty much was my home boomerang. I rode this Vekoma Boomerang many times over the years. And you know, I always thought it was one of the smoothest ones until it came to the end of it, where I actually thought that it was gone. So Knott's Boomerang became the Boomerang Hypercoaster, and it's on top of a rooftop, as you can see here. I'm pretty sure that the reason that they're calling it a hypercoaster has to be that it's on a rooftop. So Knott's Boomerang is now the Boomerang Hypercoaster, and it's located at Trans Studio Cibubur, which is in Jakarta in Indonesia. Here's a picture of it being assembled over in Indonesia. It's kind of cool how you can still see the green staircase from when it used to be Boomerang at Knott's. So the queue line you wait in from Boomerang totally looks like it has a bunch of lights and really kind of cool effects in there.
Aduh, kita maju deh ini. Maju apa mundur? Ayo. Aduh, pusing. Ini ke belakang guys, sekarang guys.
So that's pretty cool that this boomerang is still in operation, far away from the boysenberry fields of Orange County. I mean, it now lives on top of the rooftop in Indonesia, which is halfway around the world here, it seems like. Don't know when I'm going to be getting up to Trans Studio to ride it, but I can tell you that I'll probably be back at Knott's Farm sooner than later to ride its new replacement, Hang Time. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and always hit that bell so you know when we're going to upload new content.